So you're thinking about moving to Hamilton with your dog, or maybe you already live in Hamilton and want to know everything there is to do with your furry friend. Well, you're in luck, as here we're going to be sharing my top 7 things you need to know when living in Hamilton with a dog. So make sure to stick around to the end to learn about my top 10 parks and waterfalls you need to check out on the weekend with your dog. But if you're new here, my name is Matthew. I'm a local realtor and this is my channel where I share everything about what it's like living in Hamilton, Ontario. So if you're thinking about buying a home in Hamilton and want help relocating here, send me and my team a message today to book your free relocation call. Other than that, the very first thing you need to know about when living in Hamilton is about the different dog park options you have available to you. As in total, there is currently 14 different dog parks you can go check out. I'll leave a link down for the map below, but here you can find many different types throughout the city. Some of the most notable ones where you have Joe Sam Leisure's Park in Waterdown, you have Borders Falls Dog Park, as well as a great one out in Ancaster, where in central Hamilton you can find one at the Cathedral Park, as well as the Heritage Green Park up on the Stony Creek Mountain. Then a few other fun activities you can do on a weekend with your furry friend is, first, you can go check out the apple orchard. This is a great spot where you can go apple picking, pear picking, as well as go get your own raspberries with your furry friends. Or you can also test your dog's agility at the Crunchy Canine, where it's a great training program and introductory to an agility course where your dog can run throughout obstacles like tunnels, jumps, weave pulls, seesaws, and so much more. Or perhaps my personal favorite is going to the Starlight Drive-In movie theater and going to catch a movie with your dog. Other than that, another thing you definitely need to know and capitalize when you're living in Hamilton with your dog would happen to be the amazing restaurants and patios that are super dog friendly. As first, you have the Munchies Coffee House and Bakery. And I said that right, it's bakery, not bakery, as they have baked goods both for you and your dog to enjoy. You can even order your dog's own birthday cake here and even host a party with their other furry friends. But if that wasn't enough, they also just have great coffee, hot coffee, iced coffee, as well as a few different lunch options and breakfast options to choose from. So I would highly recommend going to check them out there. Other than that, you'll also find Bring Your Own Dog Cafe, which also has amazing hot drinks and cold drinks, as well as variety of different dog treats and just treats for you to enjoy. And then the final one I'll quickly mention here is the Collective Arts Brewery Patio, or Beer Garden better known. And here you're gonna find some live music as well as unique different beers that are locally brewed. Usually they have about 10 on tap. I'd recommend trying a few of them and getting a flight while you're there with your dog as well. Now, of course, there are many different other patios that are also available for you to enjoy with your dog, especially when it's that summer month. So if you're interested in a complete list, look down below. I'll leave a link with a complete article going over all of the available options you have to you. But also, when you're living in Hamilton, you definitely want to know where the best dog stores are. And there's a few. At first, you'll find a few different Ruffins throughout Hamilton that offer a variety of different foods for your dog, as well as amazing toys and healthcare products. But then you'll also find the Pantry Poos to pick up some high quality raw food for your dog to enjoy. But then you'll also find JT Pets. If you're in the Hamilton market, you can stop by here and get some unique treats for your doggos. And then of course, you'll find those bigger box chain stores like Walmart that has some dog accessories, as well as PetSmart scattered throughout the city of Hamilton. Then if you're looking to go away for the weekend or out south and don't have anyone to look after the dogs, thankfully there are a variety of different dog boarding options available within Hamilton. Some of the favorites happen to be First Rover, which is this app you can download and find other local dog owners or dog sitters that are available within your area that are in a house, so you don't have to resort to a kennel. I know my time during university, this was one of the side hustles I had, and for a period there, I was in the top 3 for about 2 years for dog sitting in Hamilton. So I would highly recommend using Rover. But other than that, you can also find MLD Pet Care, and I've heard great things who have used Genie for sitting their boxer. But other than that, you'll find many different trails to explore. So personally, a few trails you need to go check out would first be Escarpment's Rail Trail, which is just amazing if you're living on the Hamilton Mountain or also right in central Hamilton, as no matter where you're living, you're gonna just be a short drive or walk away. And this is a great wooded trail that you can easily get as many kilometers of walk as you need, completely surrounded by nature near your home. But other than that, you need to go check out Spencer's Gorge. Here, you're gonna find find some of the best waterfalls, from Webster's Falls to Two's Falls to Dundas Peak and so much more. Now, if you're interested in learning the top 10 parks I recommend for you, that's the next video I'd highly recommend you go check out. So you can go find that video right here, and I hope you have an amazing time hiking.